Hi guys, so today is tutoring for 6.5. I am literally on the first page of 6.5. This entire page is homework. So I'm going to flip it over and do the back side to start for tutoring today. Okay, so here I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I see that all my spacing is for 12. So I'm going to go through and label all of those. Just going through with my denominator first. Then I'm going to come back in and do my numerator. I want to label all of them as my first step. That's going to make the rest of it way easier so I don't have to keep recounting, especially when it's a big number like this with 12. If I didn't label them, I'd probably have to recount, or it would be super sucky if I tried to do it and I just made a careless mistake and miscounted on one of them. So then I look, do I have the common denominator of 12? Yeah, A is 11/12. So I'm going to come over, going to make a nice big dot and then put A. Then I do my check mark to prove my answer. 1/2, I'm going to have to change that. 1/2 times something is going to equal 12 as my denominator. Gonna wait, not going to do the math yet. Gonna do the easy ones first. 5/12. Always do the easy ones. I set it up, but I want to get through my easy stuff first. 7/12. Because this way, if something happened and I ran out of time or I was taking a test or something like that, and I was only able to get through these, at least I got 3 points. I might miss this one because I didn't get through it, but I got 3 of the 4 points. That's a good plan. 2 times what equals 12? 6. Because I want to multiply by 1, not changing the value, just changing the numbers I'm dealing with. 6/6. 1 times 6 is 6. So now B is going to be 6/12. Notice big dots, capital letters, and check marks when I get it through done. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Love that. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and then 5/5, obviously. A is 4/5. Nice big dot. Capital A. 2/5, love that. This is a nice and easy one because we already have all the common denominators. 3/5 is C. So that one, flying through it when it's got it all ready done for me. The other careless mistake is people forget to label them as they're going, and then they just go through and are like A, B, C, D. No. You gotta make sure they match up with the ones that you have. Alright, next one. Counting the number of spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. 1/2. Okay, that one's going to have to change. So I'm just setting up my equation. Not solving yet. Just setting it up because I know I need to get that common denominator of 4. B, 1/4. Already got it. Putting my dot. Putting my letter and my check mark. 1 whole. Great. Already got it. C. Check mark. And 3/4. D. Already got it. Once again, now I've done the easy ones. Let's go back. 2 times what equals 4. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top because I'm multiplying by 1 whole. 1 times 2 is 2. Put my dot, put my letter, put my check mark. This goes pretty quick once you keep going, and the more problems you do, the more practice you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting up the spaces. Remember, fractions are part of a whole, so they're the space between 0 and 1 whole, or between 2 and 3, whatever numbers you want. It's just part of a whole number, not the whole number itself. Just going through and labeling these. Don't care how you label them, if you have it with the tilted orientation or the more horizontal line orientation, as long as you're labeling each line. Alright, 4/5. Oop, I'm going to have to change. How do I know what number I'm trying to get my denominator to be? It's because it's the denominator that I'm using here, 10. Once again, 1/5. Got to get it to change to tenths. Ooh, this one's already done for me, 9/10. Mark it, C, check mark it, 3/10, love it. D, check mark it, nice. Alright, so now I only have to change these, and the cool thing is, in this case, 5 and 5, so whatever I multiplied this one by, I'm going to multiply this one by. 5 times what equals 10? 2. I'm multiplying by 1 whole, so 2 over 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Label 8/10 with an A. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 1 times 2 is 2. Marking it. B. Check mark, check mark. You have this one here, plus a lot of extra pages. We gave you this one and a whole other page. Please use these. These do not take super long, and they will pay off. This took me less than 7 minutes to do these 4 problems. Ideally, it will take you about 8 minutes to do this page, which is your homework. And then you can spend the rest of your 15 minutes of math homework getting through as many others as you can to try and get you that extra practice. Doing these videos, the idea is that you are getting extra practice. We put in these extra pages for you to do the extra practice, and so you can get better at a skill. Use them to get better at that skill. If you're stuck on something, watch this video. If you're like, this is easy, then do the problem. See how quickly you can do them. Time yourself. Try to get as fast as possible while still being accurate. You can see that I'm going to do these problems. Pause it. Solve it before I do it, and then try it on your own. Keep using these videos to help you out. You are going to crush it on your end of the year test. But more than anything, you're just going to feel really confident with fractions.